Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do a tongue piercing makeup look without any custom makeup and just to impress. So I'm just going to grab these cat ears and I'm just going to color it this color. I think it is 80 4F4F. You can kind of make this lighter or not, it's up to you. And then you're going to position the X to 0.54, the Y to 0.46, and then the Z to 0.45. Rotate the X to 0.59, Y to 0.24, and the Z to 0.32. And you're going to scale it all the way to A0. You can kind of like readjust that a little. I think I might just readjust that just a little bit. Okay, so here's like kind of the new adjustments for it. X to 0.55, Y to 0.46, Z to 0.49, and the rest is still the same. For the piercings, you're just going to use these pearl earrings, and I'm just going to color it foil. Use the foil material. I'm like trying to think. Okay, position the X to 0.48, Y to 0.41, Z to 0.43. Rotate the Y to 0.61. Scale all the way down to 0. And here I'm just going to make some minor adjustments just to fit the tongue a little bit better. Kind of wanted to show just a little bit, but not too much. Maybe like this. And that's it. If you want the tongue piercing to go more in the front, you can just adjust it to your liking. Again, this is just what you can do. Like, this is just a little bit of the hack, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.